Improving repair turnaround time has to do with the customer journey from the moment they enter the store. It is important for the store to have a strong booking system, to receive and check in the system in a proper way. Use a unique identifier like serial number or product code to identify the specific make and model of product. Like in a restaurant, when the waiter took the order needs to be sent to the kitchen. The person booking in the defective product needs to add the specific product to the queue and alert the repair technician that there is a new computer in the queue. Generally speaking, one would follow a first in, first out principle, assuming the diagnosis between the various products in the queue are equal in difficulty and that the availability of spare parts are equal. More recent models of a product might have more spare parts available than older models. Repair technicians also probably receive more product or more recent models than older models, so the diagnosis on more recent models will probably be quicker. In the ideal situation, the diagnosis should be completed within a 24-hour period in order to be able to order the spare parts, which normally takes another day to ship to the repair center. The repair center then has 24 hours to carry out the repair. This adds up to 3 working days. In case of any delays, the commitment to the customer should be more than 3 working days. Most customers are happy if a defective product is returned within 5 working days or 1 week.